Okay guys, this is it. This is the first day of our diet. And I did want to tell you a few things. My friend that's going to do this with me, the one that lost 60 pounds, she's not starting till next week. So what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, and you guys are going to follow along, is I'm going to do the first week of the diet, and then I'm going to start over with her so that I get a head start on it, and then we're on the same juices and stuff. And basically what you need to do if you want to do it also is you need to get the app. It's called Jason Vale Super Juice Me. Now, what I do is not exactly what he has, but I do use his recipes and his grocery lists. So you need to get the app. It'll tell you what to do, and then I can just, every day I'll just tell you what day we're on and the juices that we're making, and I'll tell you the changes that I make to these. So I leave things out and then I substitute things, and there's one recipe that I don't do, and it's actually for today, but I just pick another one because I call them, you make 4 shakes or juices a day, and 2 of them are, they're 2 juices, and I just double the recipe so that I have 4, because that's what you're supposed to do, is have 4 every day, and plus a shot. I never do the shot anymore because it's just extra apple. I just put it's apple and ginger. So I just put ginger in my 4 juices. And I hope you don't think this is easy, because it's not. It's a pain making all this juice because you have to make it fresh every day, and it's not easy to drink just juice. I mean, you're not hungry because you're drinking a lot of juice, and you're getting all the nutrients you need for sure. And that's one thing that when I do the juice, it's because it's basically a detox. I feel so much better, which is why I don't understand why I keep getting fat again. What is wrong with my brain? I never thought I would get fat again after I got skinny last time, but here I am. So we're gonna try again. So anyways, this is what we're gonna do. The rest of this will be in montage format, which means I'm just gonna aim the camera down at what I'm cutting up and put music on and do it really fast. But you'll have all the recipes and everything if you get the app. That's what you need to do. You need to get the app. It's a free app. It doesn't cost anything. I know they have it on iPhones or Apples, and I'm sure they have it on the other one, Androids. I think that's what it is. My daughter has that one, but she doesn't do this diet. She's gonna have the baby. That's why we have to lose all this weight by February, because I have to go there, and I don't want to go there fat. So these are the 2 next juices. You saw the first ones that I did, because I did the whole thing, and then I made these. This is the other juice, and this is the digestive aid. Right here, there's a little shopping cart. You hit that, and it takes you to how many days you want to buy groceries for. I bought 1 through 8. I went yesterday. Plus, I have been juicing a little bit, just not, I've been eating too. So I did that, and then you hit generate list, and it gives you a grocery list of everything you need. And you need to read it because some of it you won't need, like ice. I mean, seriously. And filtered water. Come on, we're not gonna do that either. I guess that's to make your ice with, because you don't put water in anything. Fresh herbs is fennel, ginger root, and mint leaves. So basically I would tell you just get the ginger. Ginger's really good for you, and you're gonna use it. And then hot drinks, raw cacao powder. You will need that. That's for on Saturdays and Sundays. You do the thickie in the morning, the 2 thinnies, and then you get like a shake. And you just need to go in and look at them because they're pretty good. But that's where I messed up the last time I did this, why I only lost 12 pounds, was because I put extra honey and extra the tahini, and what else is in there? Cacao. And I use cocoa powder. And I don't know if that's why, but that was, otherwise I did it right. I didn't drink coffee. I didn't do anything else other than on the weekends I would do that. So anyways, and it gives you everything you need. But then you're gonna go through it, your list, and make sure, because sometimes, like it says right there, raw beets, raw beetroot, 8 bulbs. And then below it says raw beetroot, 2 small bulbs. I don't know why it does that. It's like, okay, you need 10 bulbs, right? Because for one thing, when you go to the grocery store, they come in a bunch of 3 and they're either big or small. You don't get to pick. So anyways, you need to check your list. Don't just take it to the store and think, wait, why does it say this? And I don't use nearly as many lemons as I do limes because it just doesn't call for them very often. And you only use 1/4 of a lemon where you use 1/2 a lime when you do it. So just saying, check your list before you just go out and buy a bunch. Actually though, if you do go out and buy a bunch of stuff, you're probably going to get to use it. Although I never use all my asparagus, because you buy asparagus and by the time you only use it like 4 pieces of it in a week. And then the next week it may not have any asparagus. And then the next week you got asparagus and they're pretty dried up. I still use them. I just use 6 of them because they don't have as much juice in them. But just saying, that's how you use this. That's how we are going to use it. And it calls for parsnips. And I think for this week, it calls for parsnips. I just take that into consideration when I'm buying my carrots. We are here for day 2. Day 2 of our juicing diet. And day 2, we are going to be having for our thickie, which is the 2 we make in the morning and in the evening. It's the first one you drink and the last one you drink. And for that one, we're having pure raw energy smoothie. Anyways, it calls for 2 apples, and this is to make 2 of them. So today is day 2. Our first juice is pure raw energy smoothie, and it takes 2 apples, 1/2 a pineapple. I have 1/2 a pineapple here. I have my apples cut up. 2 celery stalks, so I have 4 celery stalks. 2 large carrots, I got kind of large beets. I'm not gonna pick it up because it turns my hands red. So I've got my beets. I've got 1/2 a lemon that I've already peeled. I have 1/2 a banana, so it calls for a whole banana. I freeze my bananas. These 2 halves are frozen, and as soon as I buy bananas, I peel them, and I put them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in the freezer. And that way it gives it more smoothie-ness in my juice, so that when I blend it, because that's what you do at the end, is you add some ice. I'm sure you saw that in yesterday's. You add ice and then your avocado or banana, or today we have both avocado and banana, and your protein powder to the blender after you've juiced, and then you add the juice in and then you blend it. So I've got my bananas, I've got my avocado here. This one's kind of overripe, but I don't care, it's gonna work. And then I'm gonna make this one, and then I've also got out all the stuff to make the next one, which is the 2 in the middle. And today we're having chlorophyll cleanse. I didn't do any exercise yesterday, and I'm probably not gonna get any done today. I'm trying to watch some videos and figure out what I wanna do, because I certainly don't wanna make myself to where I can't walk again. So I wanna go at it easy, work my way into it, but I definitely wanna do, it's gonna mostly be weightlifting, because that's what I like to do. And that gets my heart rate up more than, I will use my rowing machine, but I think that when I do my weightlifting, I actually get my heart rate up faster. So anyways, I'm not as worried about the exercise. I want the exercise, but I feel like towards the end, when I'm getting closer to my goal, I'll probably be a lot more about the exercise. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and make my juices for the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm using my little fluorescent lights again, and I know they make me too bright, but it's really rainy and dark today, so we kind of need the light. This is my juice for today. These are both of my juices for today. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna move you in a little bit so you can see what they look like. This is the fruit for my juices. I haven't made the juices yet, but I'm just going to tell you what they are. So right over here, let's see if we can do this. That is the digestive aid. That's what we're doing. And then this one is for the sweet and smooth. This is day 3, and we're doing the sweet and smooth and the digestive blend. That's it. I'm gonna make my juices and we'll be ready for tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, here we are for our diet. Here we are for our juice journey, and today is day 4. It is Thursday, and we are going to have Antioxidant King is the name of our thickie, and Mineral Medicine is the name of the 2 thin ones in the middle. So I am going to show you everything that goes in them, and then I will see you tomorrow. And I have already made my juices this time. I figure you guys have got the idea of how to make them. And I'm just gonna show you, this is the one, the thickie, and this is the anti-inflammatory blend. And I think I did this one pretty much by the book. And then our thinny for today is the Rainbow Remedy, which is the one I left out the other day. I thought that was the one I hated, but it's not. The one I hate is the Breath of Fresh Air or something like that. But they look the same in the picture, so that's why I did it. But anyways, today I made it because I just leave out the tomato and then it's fine. So anyways, that's it for today. This is how I'm going to do it from now on. This is the one I'm going to drink right now. And this one's a good one. Anti-inflammatory, it's a good one. It's got a big lime in it though, so it's very tart. But it's good. So I will see you guys tomorrow because I got to go to town and buy a heater. So guys, today is day 6, and I've already listed the juices that we are having today. We had the Fiber Optics minus the basil. I didn't put any basil in it. The diuretic one, we had 2 of those. But the tahini cocoa beanie, I didn't get to have because I thought I had almond milk, and when I got home, it was moldy. So I didn't have any tahini cocoa beanie, and that's the best one. It's like a shake. So anyways, but I did want to come in here and tell you guys how I've been feeling. I started feeling pretty hungry on Thursday, but I made it through. It was just, that's when it started really being hungry. I was still pretty hungry today. Today is Saturday, and I have to get this up tonight, so you only get 6 days worth. But next week, I'm going to start exercising, and I'm only going to show you the juices already made, because you've got the app, so you've got all the ingredients and everything in it. And I think you can find it online too. Just look up Jason Vale Super Juice Me, or just Super Juice Me, and then look up the, say, recipes or the plan, and, or if you can't get the app, because they're all in there. And I was gonna list them all in the videos, but oh my gosh, the video was so long. I cut out so much of the stuff I told you guys. But next week I'm just gonna show you the juices, so, and tell you what they are, and then I'll list them. But you'll know what day we're on, so that you'll be able to look it up by that. But anyways, I've been feeling pretty good. The first time I did this, I was really, really tired, but that was because I was trying to lose weight faster. So I was only drinking like 2 juices a day, and that was not enough. So now I'm drinking all the juices, although you'll notice in the plan that you are supposed to take like a shot, which is 1 whole apple and a piece of ginger. And I don't do that because I don't want that extra apple. To me, that's just extra sugar. So I just skip that. And then if I have 2 juices in one day that don't have any ginger, I'll just put some ginger in one of those. So anyways, I'm doing pretty good so far. I can't wait to lose all this weight. Hopefully by February, but if not, I'll lose enough by February and I'll just keep going. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ask me any questions about the diet you want in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool. We'll see. Stay cool.